Hello guys! Welcome back to Tasty Bites with me, Cheska. If you love easy, delicious recipes and fun cooking vibes, you're in the right place. Stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. You won't want to miss this. Today, we're making chicken fillet a la king, a quick, creamy, and delicious dish that's perfect over rice or bread. Let's get cooking! Time to check out the ingredients first. We're keeping it simple, fresh, and super tasty. Perfect for a creamy chicken fillet a la king. Alright, let's get cooking. Follow these easy steps and you'll have a creamy delicious dish ready in no time. In a clean container, marinate the chicken with garlic and calamansi. Then add the egg and coat it well with the chicken breading mixture. Let it sit for 30 minutes so the flavors really soak in. Time to make the creamy flavorful sauce. Let's do this! In a pan, sauté garlic and onion in margarine until fragrant. Add carrots and cook it until they soften. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of flour and mix well. Slowly pour in 3 cups of milk, stirring constantly over low heat. Once the sauce starts to thicken, add the chicken cubes, then season with parsley, salt, and pepper to taste. Mix well and let it simmer until everything is perfectly blended. Let's go back to the chicken we marinated. Take each piece and roll it in breadcrumbs until fully coated. Heat some oil in a pan and fry the chicken until it's golden brown and cook through. Once done, let excess oil drain on paper towel. Finally, add the crispy chicken to the creamy sauce we made earlier, making sure each piece is well coated. And it's ready to serve! And there you have it, a delicious creamy dish that's perfect for any meal. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty and easy recipes. See you in the next video!